Mr. Fox, what are we doing out here by this beautiful specimen of 90s Detroit iron?
Detroit born, but probably living in East St. Louis. We're going to do a little bit of reality. We're going to pressure test some of the techniques and see how they work out with the vehicle behind me instead of standing in the studio.
I gotta get my glasses.
And we're going to, definitely get those off and see how it works out. See if it plays out the same, what changes things in terms of structure, what changes things in terms of my inability to move back, or maybe even a little left or right, how certain things in the environment play out, the angles of the vehicle, things like that.
You think you're tough because you have a gun?
I am tough. Huh? I am tough.
Tough? Give me that gun. Give me that gun.
First thing hit. First thing. First thing. First thing.
That's good.
First thing.
But I mean, there you go. Something in your environment that you don't, know is there. We're not at a place that either of us that I've never stood in this spot. You've never stood in that spot. Murphy's Law. You fucking find the stump in the grass.
That's it.
My girlfriend.
Girlfriend again.
Oh my God! Give me that gun, you. I don't think I'm concerned about this. Ow! Ooh. Is it? See, now this is where the sickness comes out. Is that what you want? Is that what you want? Give me that. God damn it. I just don't know. I'm afraid of you.
Oh! Gun side! Gun side!
All right, what do you want?
I don't know, what do you want?
Well, I don't want any of this. I know who you are. Give me that. Oh! Ah, I'm dead. Give me that gun, you. I'm gonna kill you with that, you silly bitch. Okay, no, that didn't work that time. Okay. So you just use an object as a bludgeon.
Let's look at that.
Yeah.
So, come this way. If my head's under this, I get a little bit of protection, but not much. But come cross-eyed.
So
I can create space that way.
So he's using, you could do this with a brick wall.
Yes.
You could do this with a tree.
Yes.
You just, instead of hitting me with the car, you hit the car with me.
Correct. That's the one.
And even if it's not damaging, it's still disorienting. I mean,
it's a distraction.
That rim felt great on the back of my head.
It's a distraction. It's a temporary distraction for me to change positions.
Yeah. I'm gonna kill you with this. I am gonna kill you with this. I'm gonna try to kill you. You son of a You're not making no space. I'm gonna drag you off of this. Here you go. I hope you guys by now have started to ascertain that this shit is better practiced in a controlled environment with people that know. You can get hurt. I've got some level of training to protect myself, feeling my head bounce off of the rim, etc. We're controlling ourselves to not hurt each other. We both could ramp it up. Like I could have just drug him into the ground, but there's no profit in that. We have to get better And if we kill ourselves in training, then we're not going to be able to survive in life. Parting words?
Have a plan, train the plan, train it under stress, train with a little more stress, reevaluate the plan, keep training. Don't stop training. If you're going to carry a gun, you got to train with a gun.
Until you're Stardust. Then somebody else will buy your guns and they'll pawn them and hopefully remember you. Where's that beer? What a cool setup, Kanan. Check that out. So we've got flat top and the grill. And of course, made in the USA, made by our buddies at TA Targets. Got some fresh mint that's just finishing up in the garden. Mint in the potatoes? Sure, why not? It's still green. I thought I'd throw it in. The waning bit of greenery out of the garden. I'm gonna call these here, I think.